Yeah, yeah. I was good to you. Benefit of the doubt should be my surname. I've always made a fool. I was good to you. Benefit of the doubt should be my surname. I've always made a fool.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Beautyforever, and if you guys check the info section below, I will have all the details and links provided there. So here's the wig that I have. I have their new Wear and Go pre-cut lace wig. I have it in this Jerry curly texture. It also has that 6x4 3/4 inch lace. My wig is 24 inches long. It also has that air net wig cap, which is perfect for this hot summer. It also has that removable adjustable band in the silicone backing. So as usual, I like to put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly what it looks like prior to me doing anything to it, and also let you guys see how I received it. So firstly, I do notice that the lace is a smidget too light, so I will be using a little bit of foundation to tone that down, as well as I will be bleaching my knots per usual and giving this wig a good wash. Now, if you guys are interested in this wig and you want to save a little extra cash, be sure to use my discount code, which is YGO16, to save 16% off of your purchases. And also do keep in mind that Beautyforever does accept Afterpay, so you can break up your payments into 4 equal payments, so therefore you're not splurging all at once. But right now I'm going to go ahead and bleach my knots. Everything that you see me using throughout this video will be listed in the info section below, so be sure to check it out.
Perfect, you're worth it, what I'm searching for. I was good to you. Benefit of the doubt should be my surname. I've always made a fool.
So now that I bleached my knots, I'm going to move on to doing a little bit of styling. This wig really doesn't require too much work. You can literally wear it how it comes. However, I will be just kind of getting it nice and laid for when I wear it. So I'm just starting off with doing some minor styling. I'm going to go in with a little bit of my gel just to kind of lay the front perimeter. I kind of want it to go kind of out of my face. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going in with a little bit of water as well as a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse. Now, if you guys are interested in anything that you see throughout this video, I will have it all linked in the info section below, so be sure to check there. Now, I found one of the hardest brushes that I could find in my house, and I'm using that to define the curls. You guys see how those curls are just popping and how juicy it is. Y'all, get you a hard brush. That will be linked below as well. So pretty much I let my wig sit and air dry overnight. Y'all notice that shine? Man, it looks so good. But anyways, if you develop a cast, just be sure to scrunch the hair up in your hands in order to break that off, and the hair will become super soft. Now, this is what the lace looks like. I will be using a little bit of my foundation, and I tend to go for a foundation that's about 1 to 2 shades darker than my complexion, and I like to apply it all over the lace to get a nice even match. Then I'm going to go in and adjust the strap, so therefore I can get a nice custom fit. If you do not plan on gluing your wig down, this is what's going to give you a nice secure custom fit. So be sure to use your removable adjustable band in order to get that to fit nice and snug. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on and see what this wig is looking like. And just like that, this is what this wig is looking like. Now, one thing that I absolutely love about this hair is that it has a bit of like this coarse feeling to it. Like, it's not silky like European hair. It's more so like a 3B, 3C, like that coarse texture it has going on, and I'm just here for it. I love the texture so much. It's super soft. Now, I did have moderate shedding, which can easily be taken care of if you use like a weft sealer. But for the most part, this hair is full of movement, full of body. I love the density. Now, if you guys are worried about the tracks showing, this hair does get a whole lot bigger the more that you manipulate it, so you won't have any issues there. However, this wig is super breathable due to its air neck cap, and it's perfect for the summertime. You guys just saw the hairline. It looks super natural. I didn't have to tweeze or do anything to it. It just came together so effortlessly. However, I did want to give you guys a quick little summer style. This is like an everyday, you know, throw on some sweats and run some errands type of style. So I just took my little clip and I clipped the hair up just to kind of get it off of my neck. And this is perfect for the summertime, just in case you guys are looking for something on the shorter side, but you can kind of transition it to like the spring and winter time as well with its long length. So once again, you guys do check out Beautyforever. I will have all the details in the info section below. This wig does retail at $258.80. So be sure to use my discount code, which is YGO16. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.